Hey there everybody, it's child therapist Mister Stu. Today I'm going to show you how to make this awesome art. It's called a Hand Zentangle. It boosts creativity, teaches kids about mindfulness, is relaxing, and is an enjoyable activity for your kids and for your whole family to do together. First, you'll need to gather some materials. You'll need a blank sheet of paper, a pencil, and then some different coloring supplies. You'll start by tracing your hands. Place one hand flat on the paper and carefully trace around it with a pencil. Then move your hand and trace again, overlapping the first outline. You can use both of your own hands or ask a family member to join in and trace their hands too. Keep tracing until you've covered the whole paper with overlapping hand outlines. Now you'll notice that the overlapping lines have created various sections. This is where the fun begins. Use those coloring supplies to fill in each section with different colors, designs, or patterns. Here's where you can get creative. One of my favorite things to do is try to color the Zentangle in a way where no section that has the same color is touching each other. Just remember, there is no right or wrong way to do this. The most important thing is to have fun and enjoy the process. If you're working with family, you can take turns filling in sections or working on different parts together. It's a great way to relax and bond while creating something beautiful. Once you've filled in all the sections, take a step back and admire your artwork. You've created an overlapping Hand Zentangle. Display it somewhere special so you and your family can enjoy it.
If you're looking for more activities like this to be able to do with your kids and relax and have fun enjoying mental health, make sure to like and subscribe. Woohoo!